Care, yet we have not always had a seat at the table when it comes to ownership or even leadership. Well, beauty expert Michelle Phillips joins us today to share an example of a woman who has launched her own beauty brand to not only cater to women and men, but to empower us as well. I'm excited to hear her story.
I know, she is incredible, and I'm so fortunate to work in this industry to where people send me beauty products all the time, but especially women-owned beauty brands that have launched. They can sell their products online, and I like to try them, and if I get a chance, share them with viewers. And so Dr. Kimberly Hickman Bay, this is her line called Age Tomorrow, and what she did is she retired from the Air Force, went back to college to get her master's degree in business, and then had such a passion for the beauty industry that she then went on to school to study aesthetics, which is skincare, and holistic skincare, so that she could help improve the appearance of men and women's skin.
Because from what I understand, she was frustrated that there wasn't something on the market she was looking for.
Exactly, and that was helping her clients with their skin. So she created her own beauty brand called Age Tomorrow. And I love it. It's a great skincare brand. She just launched in 2017, and she carries this in her boutique in Maryland, where she
But you can get it online, though.
But you can get it online now, and so I was going to share with you her products as well as her cosmetics line. Everything that she has created is organic, chemical and paraben free, no toxins, so very, very good for your skin. And she has a natural cleanser, and this natural cleanser here contains rosehip and coconut oil, cucumber extract, aloe, vitamins E and C, as well as green and white tea, which are great antioxidants for the skin. And so all of these ingredients are really soothing and moisturizing and anti-aging.
For a lot of different skin types, do you think?
Yes, all skin types. Also, she has a serum here, and this is the natural serum, and I always use a serum morning and night. And serums are a great way to give your skin a boost of vitamins and nutrients.
Use them both, morning and night?
Yep, morning and night, and then I use a moisturizer or treatment afterwards. So it's an extra boost to your skin, and her serum is infused with antioxidants like cucumber extract, blueberry extract, rosemary leaf extract, vitamins E and C. Again, this really helps detoxify your skin, shrink large pores, and reduce fine lines and wrinkles.
I can understand why she named the products what she did.
Yeah, exactly. And then she has the natural moisturizer, and again, she has the vitamin E oil. She has the organic coconut oil, cucumber, aloe, and this hydrates and softens the skin. A great moisturizer for day and night as well. And then she created an eye gel, and this natural eye gel has aloe and cucumber and has parsley and carrot extract. So these really soothes the under eye area and moisturizes your eyes. And I love that it's an eye gel because it's light enough to go underneath your makeup. You know, a lot of times eye creams can be kind of heavy. Then you put your makeup on top and it feels like it's too much. So wonderful lightweight product. And then also, last but not least, I want to talk about her cosmetics. She has here eyeshadow, eyeliner, lipsticks, lip glosses, and all of these are healthy makeup. Her eyeshadow is highly pigmented and can be used wet for an eyeliner. Her eyeliner's long wear formula, and her lipsticks and lip glosses are infused with vanilla extract, as well as the different vitamin E as well. So it's really hydrating, beautiful pigments also.
Well, I don't know if we've talked about that. We have just about 30 seconds. Like, pigment is important in makeup because I feel like the cheaper stuff that, it just doesn't have any pigment.
You put it on, it doesn't have any color, and it doesn't last. And what I love about Kimberly's line is that she's created highly pigmented colors that last and true to what you see, but also she has a range of colors that are great for not only lighter skin tones, but darker skin tones as well.
Yeah, which are going to need more pigment too.
Yeah, so anyway, I just love the brand. I love her story, and I'm excited to share it
online. So again, we'll make sure and put that on our website.
Yes, agetomorrow.com.
All right, easy enough. We always love when you're here. Thank you so much, Michelle. And again, we'll put more details on our website as well.